Hi there, this video is made available for the course ENSC102, Computer Aided Drafting. Although we are going to discuss the topics and the exercises in our classroom, but at least having these videos uploaded or having these tutorial videos uploaded at least for those students who wants to work ahead, or for those students who wants to review the topics, then somehow they will have a guide on how to do the exercises. Okay, so to start, if you have successfully installed the AutoCAD software and you have the account already, you have created an account and also received an invitation for the license, then if you click that program, if you start a program, then what you'll see is actually this page, right? And let's say we'll use these templates for discussion purposes. So if you click the templates, then you enter into this interface. So the interface is somehow similar to the Microsoft Office in terms of the ribbon tabs. You'll notice here the Home tab, the Insert tabs, Annotate, Parametric, View, and many others. And basically in this ribbon tabs, all the tools that you'll be needing for creating the objects or modifying the objects, they're all here. Like for example here, the line, circles, or if you want to modify it, or if you want to put dimensions on it, then it's all here in this ribbon tabs. Okay, so if you want to draw, then we'll just simply click the tools, specific tools that we want. Okay, and next one is we have this drop down, I think drop down menu. So it's also typical. We have this new open or save as, or if you want to print, then it's all right here. Okay, and what else? Then next one is this workspace. Okay, so the workspace, recall that in our discussion, the workspace is where the object lives, right? The lines, the cylinders or the solids and all that, they all live in this workspace, and that workspace is coordinated so that we can somehow locate the points. We can somehow determine the distances between 2 points, or the lengths, or the other geometrical parameters, right? So it's coordinated using this rectangular coordinate system, so X, Y, and there's actually a Z-axis orthogonal to the screen. So if you click this, this, by the way, this is our view cube. So if we click that home button and you press this this is mouse scroll, if you press up, then you have a zoom in command. If you press down the scroll button, then you have this zoom out command. Okay, so you can see here we have this X, Y, Z. So it's actually a 3D space. What we're working here is a 3D space, but sometimes we don't need that 3D space. That's why we only work in this X, Y, Z axis. So for planar objects, then you can just simply work this XY plane. Okay, okay. Another one is if you press the scroll button, if you press that and if you drag it, so it's something like a pan command. Actually, it's a pan commands wherein you can somehow shift the pages without changing the scale or the scale of the view. Right. So I think that's all for now for this view, but there's still a lot more. Right. So we'll click this back to top, and we're back to our original view. Okay, another one that we need to pay close attention is this status bar. So the status bar is the status of the command that you are in at that at the moment. So it says what you are going to do next, or it says or it asks what will be the next option, or the next what do you call that, maybe next dimensions that you would like, then it will display it here. So for example, if I click this line, so that is my command. So it says here, specify first point. So we need to specify some first point in order to create a line, right? So if we have this point, if you can click the point, then okay, that's good. Or if not, then we need to type the point, right? So the status bar says specify the next point, because a line must be a distance between, or I mean must be between some 2 points, right? So if I click this, then that's gonna be my that's gonna be my line, right? So you'll also notice that for the line, you can also see some numbers right here. These numbers, that's 164.28, and also the degrees 26. So you can also specify the line through, let's say, I just need to type, let's say 150 if the diameter, if the length of the line is 150, and then next is so let me do that. So I'll just type at, okay, at 150, and the angle is let's say angle 30. So I can do that. So anyway, we will discuss this later, or in a while, but so far that's the things that we need for now regarding this interface. So again, we have these ribbon tabs wherein you can find the tools that we need, and we also have this workspace. The workspace is a three-dimensional space, and we have this view cube over here, and we have these coordinate systems, and lastly we have this status bar that we need to look up from time to time.